Welcome back. It's the same night, but it's a different day this gonna upload.
Real sophisticated lady, you know. Part of town, you know, rich, money or whatever.
Sophisticated. Not
extravagant and everything, man. So, part of town, her problem is she's a nymphomaniac.
What that mean? What
does that mean? Sex. What a hit.
Love sex.
Nympho.
The mommy love you, I'm not a nymphomaniac. Why you don't explain yourself?
Hold on, let me ask you something. Suppose a nymphomaniac and a kleptomaniac go together and get a child. What that child would be?
Fucking thief, man.
Alright.
Hey, let me tell you this one.
Truth. Yes.
So she passed through towns and stuff in one little village. She wanted legacy more fortune. And she needed to have an orgasm 20 times in one night. Who can help her? So I said, well, who? I said, you know, Theophilus, man. Theophilus have a big thing and him can help her or whatever. So they look for Theophilus. When they find Theophilus, Theophilus, dirty, you know, full of mud that come from
ground.
It's bad and the water boat. You can't ride.
But he well endowed.
Well endowed.
Well endowed.
So anyway,
Repeat that. Well endowed.
Anyway, challenge Theophilus. Theophilus say, yeah, man. But soon come, I'm going to be it. She said, no, I take you as you are. So anyway, Theophilus go in her because she have a caravan thing, you know, so go in her back.
You hear me rocking, don't come knocking.
Theophilus say 20 times, you know, she wants to have an orgasm. So, first one, no one. The first time, Theophilus pull up the water boat and he said, what?
My phone!
So, right from the water boat, one. Work again, man, and he work again, and him. Two, and he say, two. Lift up the water boat and he work, two. Gone again. He reach about 13 now, man.
13?
He reach at 13, you know, so my girl said, so here, so she said to him, so, Theophilus, you're almost finished. You're at 18. No. 13 minutes. So she said, no, Theophilus, you're at 18.
Can't manage it.
Rab you. He said, no, but I'm being fair. You're at 18. Yeah. No, what? Right? I'm teaching. My name, Robbie, we start up.
The lady says she want 20 orgasm because 2 is not enough. I'm gonna deal with 2 either way. And she go buck up on Tilafios. You know, an old man used to name Tilafios and the man used to buy front hard in a man. Jano, Masty, man. I want to look a community lady. Used to hide. Tilafios live next door to me yard. So, boy, how me explain Tilafios? He's a grown man, he older man, but he going grown and he used to bathe and stuff. And when he washing clothes, the whole community stink. I'm pretty. You used to go check Tilafios, you know? I kid you not. And she used to hide and walk beside Fimi house and Tilafios up in the door and just jump in. But as I look boy, me always see what I go on. Yeah, man, Tilafios used to PR for front man and some other people me used to see go over Tilafios yard. So, anyway, this is Tilafios now. Man saying that him a show. Him put in the work. So every time a woman orgasm, climax rather, him write it down. But it look like a man can't manage a big ply and big plank, a bamboo. Tilafios a throw. So she skipped from 30 to 18. Tilafios just have 2 more, make she climax 2 more because she can't manage. But Tilafios say, yo, you not escape this year. You know what? We're going to rub out the counting and start over fresh. We know so that woman don't want piss up in her pants and she naked right now. Anyways, let's continue the story.
I'm going to Virgin yard, you know. I'm Virgin yard, Virgin have a son. And just across the fence, said, me ever have an next little boy. And one day I go there and the two of them did a chat. And I hear them brother. So I say, but them little boy I know easy. So I just start listening to them conversation. You know, hear for me neighbor though, hear for me brethren boy. Yeah. You know, so my daddy eat light bulb. So the other one said to him, say, yeah, eat that home and feet light bulb. Can I eat light bulb, man? He said, yes, my daddy eat light bulb. So next little boy said, you ever see him yet? He said, no, me not see him. Oh, yeah, eat that. You know, see him, you know, say eat light bulb. He said, yes, he am the light bulb. So the next little one said, explain to me how you know that. He said, last night, he get up my belly, I pain me. And I go in my room now, come on, little medicine. And when me notice, me see light under the door, as no knock me hear daddy say, turn off the light, me I go near me. So you know, most near light bulb.
I am crying. Literal tears are coming from my eye. Me need to find all of this video, yeah? And me just gonna upload it. Limited talking. Yeah, man. Because this is funny. Everybody in this video can tell a story. Good storytellers. Anyways, one story left me think. Let's run it.
Tourist man live, you know. A neighbor, yeah? Two gardeners, everything. Every Sunday they take turns and go to each other's house, you know. Shoot, shit and do that. So, you know. Me say me come over your house now. Me say to you, man, I have one of the stupidest gardener in the whole world, man. He said, nah, man, better 10 grand on my gardeners than your garden. Say, yeah, yeah, man. Say, alright, 10 grand. We have money, 10 grand. The Joe, come on. $10. We don't like car, man. Buy one Benz full of gas. I carry my phone. $10. God, man. That's a car stupid. What got sense, man? God, you got away. John, come on, man. Come on, man. We have some video. Go back over my yard.
Well, that is part 2, so you know so there's gonna be part 3. Cause that's where it ends. Me have to go find the rest of the video. Anyways, as you can see, everybody can tell a good story. Every Jamaican is a good storyteller. We all have it in us. That's my belief. Anyways, I don't remember if me asking if you like the video in the beginning, but we're gonna like in the end. And if you don't like the video, if you didn't have a laugh, dislike it as well. Engagement is key. Leave a comment in the comment section. There is something down in the comment section that says hype. Just press it and submit and hype up the video for me. Share it with your friends and family. Share it on TikTok, what you call it, YouTube. Not YouTube, Facebook, more sleep. Anyways, stay safe. God bless.